I can remember when I was a child, they would talk on the news about Agent Orange. I mean, I didn't know. I was born in the late 60s. And in the height of the Vietnam War, they were struggling. I mean, guys in the jungle. And so part of the strategy was to thin the jungle. It made it safer for our soldiers. And of course, that makes sense. And so they used something called Agent Orange, which they would spray in the jungle that truly would melt away the plants. It was an industrial scale herbicide. Because as it turns out, Agent Orange was the cause for so many illnesses in our Vietnam veterans, between the cancers and the heart disease. Now, obviously, we don't spray that on people anymore, but a very similar herbicide that we do spray all over everything is glyphosate, or what we would call Roundup. It is so effective that you can spray Roundup directly on your food plants. Soybeans was the starting crop, but now expand that to corn and all other kinds of different foodstuffs that we would eat, and the wheat in particular. So we are all getting Agent Oranged on a micro scale that slowly over time, this wasn't 3 treks into the jungle where I got sprayed with Agent Orange and now I've got cancer. This is, I'm eating it on a daily basis, have no clue I'm eating it on a daily basis, and it's making me sick. Wheat intolerance, celiac disease used to be a 1 in 50,000 diagnosis. And then 1990, it became less frequently. And then as the years have marched on, as the amount of glyphosate that we are spraying on our food has gone up, the incidence of gluten sensitivity has skyrocketed. I mean, this is what financially justifies gluten-free objects on the shelf. You start spraying stuff with glyphosate. And then when you cut this crop and then you spray it with another chemical to dry it, you are fixating glyphosate in there. You're fixating the gluten in there at its most inflammatory state. And then you're grinding it up and putting it in your food. What are y'all doing to try to escape the glyphosate? I personally think we need to invest in our local farms. Let's make America healthy again.